Hello, my name is Sherri Bennett, and I'm the Highlands County Risk Management Coordinator. I'm going to talk about being properly insured before a storm and give you some tips for after a storm. Most importantly, review your homeowner's policy to make sure you have adequate coverage on your dwelling, contents, other structures, and liability coverages. Know your hurricane deductible amount. Contact your agent so they can review your coverages as well. Let them know of any changes or upgrades you have made to your property. If you rent, make sure you have renter's insurance, which covers your personal property. The landlord's homeowner's insurance only covers the dwelling you are renting, not your contents. If you are in a flood zone, you will need flood insurance, which is not covered on a regular homeowner's policy. Contact your agent and they can refer you to someone to get that coverage. Take documentation by video or taking pictures of everything. Keep those documents and all policies in a safe place for easy access. Make sure you also have your agent and insurance company's contact information so you can contact them quickly. If you sustain damages to your property, mitigate to alleviate future damages if possible. Document all damages by taking pictures or videoing when it's safe and report your claim as soon as possible. The quicker you can get your claim information in, the faster your claims adjuster will be able to meet with you and start your claim process. I hope the information I have given you helps you to be better prepared for hurricane season.